Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are presenting 10 lines on how to preserve tree specimens. Let's start the video. Plant trees in suitable locations with proper spacing to ensure healthy growth and longevity. Regularly prune dead or diseased branches to maintain tree health and shape. Mulch around the base of trees to retain moisture, regulate soil temperature and suppress weed growth. Water trees deeply and infrequently, especially during dry periods, to encourage deep root growth. Apply organic fertilizers in moderation to provide essential nutrients for tree growth. Protect trees from physical damage caused by lawn mowers, string trimmers, and other equipments. Inspect tree regularly for signs of pests and diseases, and take appropriate measures for control if necessary. Avoid compacting the soil around trees by minimizing foot traffic and heavy machinery near the root zone. Provide adequate support for young or weak trees, using stakes or braces to prevent damage from wind or storms. Educate yourself and others about the importance of trees and the need to preserve them for future generations. So guys, these were 10 lines on how to preserve tree specimens. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.